How to fix VAN9005 error, which is for the Valorant. This build of Vanguard is out of compliance with the current system settings. It typically indicates that the Vanguard anti-cheat system is encountering issues with your system settings. In this case, some of the troubleshoots that you can apply is, first of all, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue by allowing Vanguard to start fresh. Likewise, you can also try running Valorant and its associated services like Vanguard as an administrator. For the third option, you can just turn on command prompt and write in bcd edit/set hypervisor internet package as off and hit the enter button. This should probably work. Also, make sure to update your system, that is OS, as well as the latest drivers. Likewise, reinstall Valorant and Vanguard if the issue seems persisting. Or you could check for the software conflicts as well. For this, you just have to type in on the search bar for the system information and open it. In the system information, you have to check if virtualization-based security has been enabled or not. If so, make sure it is not enabled on the device. Once this is done, restart your computer and your system should be working. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.